In today's video, I will teach you how to align layers in Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea and open your project by selecting File, then Open. Now we're going to select the layers to align. In the Layers panel on the right, hold down the Control key or Command key and click on the layers that you want to align. You can also use the Shift key to select a range of layers. Now we're going to choose the alignment options. From the toolbar on the left, select the Move tool or simply press V on your keyboard. In the top options bar, you will see several alignment icons like Align Left, Align Horizontal Centers, Align Right, Align Top, Align Vertical Centers, and Align Bottom. Click the alignment option that suits your design needs. You also have the option to align to the canvas or a reference layer. With only one layer selected, the alignment icons will align the layer to the entire canvas. And if you have multiple layers selected, the layers will align relative to the first selected layer. The alignment will depend on the option chosen. For example, aligning to the top, center, or bottom. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the selected layers for fine adjustments. And once you're satisfied, save your project as a PSD file by going to File, then Save as PSD. To export your aligned design, select File, then Export As, and choose the desired format, for example, PNG or JPEG. By aligning your layers, you ensure a more polished look for your designs in Photopea. This is especially useful for creating balanced compositions in graphics, presentations, and more. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.